wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school.
Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing, I love learning.
Joyous.
And this is how we learn. Yay!
Hello children, welcome back. I'm teacher Lydia and let's see what we're going to do today. Yes, we have cupcakes over here and we're going to decorate our cupcake using Play-Doh. Right, so we're going to use the Play-Doh to decorate the cupcake by adding the frosting and sprinkle on top. Before we start, let me show you how we decorate the cupcakes, and after we will do it together. Let's go! So first, I'm going to choose strawberry flavored frosting. So this is my strawberry flavored frosting, and now I'm going to choose another flavor of frosting to my chocolate cupcake. So I'm going to pick green color. And this is mint flavor. Do you like mint? After we're done with the frosting, you can use anything from your home to sprinkle on top of the frosting. Let's see. Like this. Alright children, so now we are done with the cupcake. What do we need to put on top of the cupcake? A candle. And now, let's sing a birthday song for you and me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Let's move to the real Play-Doh activity. Let's go. Alright, now let's get started. First, you may take out your colorful Play-Doh. So I will going to use this Play-Doh to turn into frosting. So you can turn into any shape or pattern you like. This is a yummy strawberry topping. This is the way we put the frosting, we put the frosting, we put the frosting. This is the way we put the frosting. Ooh, it's purple color. Yes, and once you're done with the frosting, we can sprinkle some yummy sprinkles. So little Jaslyn going to put some sprinkle on top. So Daddy and Mommy, let's be creative. You can use any toys or any small little tiny thing from your house and sprinkle on top of the cupcake. Look, little Jaslyn is putting her favorite letters on the topping. So I'm going to put some colorful pom-pom. Alright, looks yummy. Other than pom-pom, I have some small button. Okay, let's start with a song. This is the way we put the sprinkle, we put the sprinkle, we put the sprinkle. This is the way we put the sprinkle. Look, so colorful. Alright, ta-da! So we are done with the 2 yummy cupcakes. What about you? Did you have fun, children? Yes! Alright. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye-bye.
I wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school.
Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing, I love learning.
Joyous.
And this is how we learn. Yay!